pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everyone, so I did pick up the O collection from Jeffree Star and it just came. I wanted to unbox it and do some swatches. Now some of you have asked me why I have supported Jeffree Star in making this purchase. Guys, this is about the makeup for me. I actually plan on taking, if this is gonna work in my makeup artist kit, which is the main reason I got this palette, because you need certain colors for certain skin tones. I'm going to be taking it out of the packaging and putting it in a regular palette. So this is the mini. The plastic just fell out of it. And this is the shimmers right here. So I wanted to show this to you guys and I wanted to swatch them. So this way you could see Glass Wet, Champagne Pop, or Champagne Drip, Gagging. Okay, I don't know that I want to tell you all of the names when I get to it, but let me, those are not as bright. It's creamy. Frozen Fire. It's a pretty name. Wait a minute, let's try that again. Bathhouse. Okay. There are those. Those are definitely very pretty. Okay, we've got one more row here. Explicit. Foam Party. I'd hate to even think what that is. What it stands for. Okay, some of these are just like really light toppers. And then you've got Eiffel Tower. Okay, so far the names aren't too bad. That one looks more like a matte or metallic of some sort, but there you are. Okay, with this mini palette, that is what we have. So I'm going to put this one away. I did get a lip gloss and I got the holders because I really did need the holders for my lippies. It was just, it's been crazy. Let's just put it that way. I'm glad I get to sit down and share this with you guys. Let me show you the holders. This is the lip gloss. I only got one. I could not see paying that price for that vault. I will be perfectly honest with you. I think you're supposed to take this one out. Yeah, in a different direction. I don't know. This is what it looks like. Let's see. Ooh. It smells good and it's pretty. Okay, I'm liking that. Okay, now we've got the Begin. Here it is. The packaging is pretty if it wasn't, the colors are pretty, you know? You know what I'm saying. Okay, this is what she looks like. And this is what I mean. Like a makeup artist, okay, on different skin tones. Like for somebody who is extremely fair, they are neutral, they could use in here. That would, or for maybe a warmer skin tone, then you've got your peachy. So like if you're using this, I can't see anyone other than makeup artists using this unless you do makeup a lot and other people, because you're not going to use every single color in this palette. It's just impossible. I mean, maybe it's not impossible, but it's not something I would want to do. Or I could do. I could only pull off so many browns. A brown with a reddish tint is not going to work for me. This color here wouldn't work unless I was kind of super tan. This way I would look more on the warm side instead of the neutral side. This right here, cool tone, is a very pretty shade. This one too. Okay, but I'm shy. Vanilla latex implant, teach me. All right, I really don't like the names, but so I'll just go row by row if that's okay with you. Very creamy. Not really showing up. Showing up on the finger more so than my arm. How much do I have to dig into this? Oh, that one's chalky. Let me see. Yeah, that's chalky. Like, what the hell? It doesn't even move to blend. Oh, wow. Okay, that just threw me for a loop. That's not Jeffree's formula. Yeah, guys, I'm a little nervous now. Like, a lot nervous. That was the first row. Let's go over here to this arm. You can barely see that. Do this one. These are creamy. Pretty. That looks very similar. But again, with undertones, sometimes you need similar colors. Okay. These look blendable. Yep. See how that was right there? It's blending into my skin as to where over here it wasn't? Like, come on! My gosh! Crazy. Okay, next. Oops, I'm stuck in the wrong one. The browns. Taupe. I love taupes. Okay, that does not look like the way that it is in the pan. But so far you can see the reddish undertone in here. But these look so similar, it's ridiculous. Well, I don't want to say it's ridiculous because it can work. Okay, that just threw me for a loop. Okay, now we've got a gray at the end of this here. Oh my goodness. Okay, look. It's not really moving. Not really blending. Do you see it? I'm so disappointed right now. And I'm usually like, maybe it's me. Maybe I need to be trying something different here. Maybe they're just swatching bad. They'll work better on the eyes. Let's try this. I'm just going to do quick swatches and then show them to you. So this way we're not here forever. Some of these seem really rich here in this fourth row. And very pigmented. There they are. Let's see if they blend. They may blend better with a brush. So it's very possible they could work well on the eyes. Wow. All right. So we'll see, right? Whew. Getting all kinds of dirtied up here. Okay, the last row. You ready for this? Glory Hole is the name of this. Like, what the heck? and those two are different colors and they look exactly the same. Do you see that? And I wiped my fingers. Like, what's that about? Let's try that again. Actually, we can even try it on my clean fingers over here. Oh, what is going on with this palette? Do you guys see this, or is it just me? Look at the colors. I don't understand. Moving forward. What? I don't get it. No, it has to be me. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Clean fingers, clean hands, clean arms. Let's try this last row again. I'm going to start off on this side though and work my way down. Do a pinky swatch. It's going to be a small one. Do a thumb. Okay. I'll do the last one on the other arm. Here they are. I'm afraid to see if they blend or not. Guys, if this is patchy, I'm going to be so upset. Okay, guys, do you want to see me do a look with it? Please tell me. I'm guessing since I bought it, I probably should, right? And I'm guessing some of you out there do want to see whether this is worth it or not. Right now, I'm going to have to say nope, especially for the price. But again, they may blend well on the eyes. So we shall see. I am going to show you the last thing that I got. That is probably what I am most happy with right now. I have tons of lippies from Jeffree Star, from all different brands. And I picked up a set of, God, I hope it doesn't have the logo of this theme on here. Picked up a set of these lip holder things. Okay. Nope. There's nothing bad on it. It's just the color. So I can put all my lippies in here. A set of these I think was $25. So that is everything that I got. Guys, I want your opinions. I really want to know if you think, oh my goodness, okay. If you think I should do, what kind of look, what kind of colors do you think I should use? I mean, they're all kind of similar, the same. Have you tried this palette? Have you had a bad experience with it? Are you thinking about picking it up? Those kinds of things. And in my next video, I'll try to address everything that you would want me to address about this palette. So thank you so much, guys. Have a great night, and I'll see you soon. Bye.